Hi guys, it's Long here, president of Funness Guys, and I got a very short message but very important. I believe that it could change your life financially forever. You see, in the business world, there's only two options. Number one, you could either work for yourself and earn 100% of the effort yourself. On this method, if you utilizing this method, you're gonna have to spend a lot of times, and the downside is that once you get sick or once you start working, the income is gonna decrease or potentially stop, and this is very dangerous in terms of becoming an entrepreneur. When you work for yourself, you actually depends on yourself, your effort, and everything that you possibly can do by yourself. And don't get me wrong, this option is better than going out there and work for somebody else. I believe that if you're doing it right, you could become financially free either way. But the little downside is you don't have enough time to spend with your loved ones or to do the things that you always wanted, because it's all about time exchange for money. And then once again, the moment you start working, your income will slow down or potentially stop, and that is the bad thing. Now when you're looking into the other side, which is the duplication of the systems, once you know how to do what you do, all you gotta do is duplicate that system, allow other people to do the same thing, and in return you're just gonna get a certain percentage of each of those productions that your organization produce. And the potential on this is that you could only do so much, but with the people around you or the people in your organization's production, you could earn a little bit at the same times. And you understand the system McDonald established originally back in the days. McDonald only designed a system that works, and once that system works, all he had to do is duplicate that system and make it hundreds of thousands of McDonald's across the nation, and in return he just get a little bit of royalty fee or commission out of those productions that he established or duplicate himself. And that's exactly what happens here. If you just know a system or formula that's working, that is proven to work, and all you got to do is just duplicate that systems and allow them to duplicate to infinity. If that happens, you'll be able to make money from those productions that's coming from your organization. And you can imagine you multiply by thousands of productions in your organization. Most of it you don't even know. So if you look at this picture on the right side, you potentially just go out there and share your system with 3 people, all right? Now, these 3 people are more like your 3 franchises, and you teach them, making sure that they are survived, making sure that they're making money, making sure that their organization is producing mass amount of money, and they're gonna go out and do the same. That's it. You know, very simple. That the idea is that once the formula is proven to work, all you gotta do is duplicate that system and make it multiply. That way you'll be able to leverage your income by utilizing other people's efforts. And the potential on this one is once that has been established, even though you are no longer working, your income continue to grow because of the system. I'm gonna take you to the next slide and kind of give you a glimpse of our system that is designed for you to multiply yourself. That way you have more income while working less hours. And that's the whole idea here is, what's the point of earn millions of dollars but you have no time at all, you know? So the idea is this. Let's just say you go out there, you advance yourself, you know how the formula works, and you're making money, right? You're excited. The system just got started. So what you do is that you're gonna go out there and share with Mary, right? One of your best buddy. You're gonna make sure Mary is be able to understand the system and she start making money. And now Mary is gonna go out there and duplicate the system again. And this time Mary knows Lucy as her friend, and Mary's gonna show Lucy the same thing. But you are right behind Mary, trying to help out if Mary needs some help. Now Lucy's gonna go out there and do the same thing. Learn the system, understand how it works, and start making money. Lucy's gonna go out there and chill with Nick, and so on until Jim. So you have 5 level deep in your organization, right? Now, if this formula duplicate, you're gonna earn a certain percentage from each individual's production. So let's take for example that if you have 5 associates under your organizations, each of them just produce 5 policies per month. Now what happens is that if these 5 people or 5 directors go out there and produce just 5 policies per month at $100 premium per month, if you take that times 12 months, because the insurance company is gonna pay 12 months in advance, some company pays 6 months, 7 months, etc. But ultimately you're gonna get paid up to 12 months for your first year. Now all of these productions is gonna total $30,000 in revenue, alright? As a field marketing director, you're gonna override 30% of their productions, guys. 30%, that will give you a total of $9,000 without having to do anything, right? That is called leveraging all the people's efforts. Of course, you're not gonna stand back and do nothing. You're gonna help them, train them, and motivate them, and help each other making money in the process. But as time go by, you only could do so much. You just want to make sure the 3 people that you brought into the business are successful. And that's the whole thing. It's all about duplication so that you have more time to do the things that you wanted to do in this life. And then the stream of income is going to continue to grow. Alright? I'm going to give you another scenario here. Let's say you only know 3 people in your life and they're your best buddy. Alright? There are people that you know that love to be successful in business. So all you gotta do is just train them, brought them to the business, train them, make sure they are successful. And what you're gonna do is that they're gonna duplicate the same system. Now you have 9 people, and then they're gonna do the same thing. Down to 5 level deep, you're gonna have a total of 243 people in your level 5s. But if you add all them up, you have more than 243 people in your organization. And this system that we built from the ground up, we have a total of 8 levels that is designed into the system, alright? Assuming that you have 243 people and each of them only do 5 policies per month, each policy is equivalent to $100 premium on average, times 12 months. Your organization has a total of $1.4 million in productions every single month. Now you're gonna override, simply just say 5% override commissions. That is equivalent to $72,000 every month coming to your bank account, guys. Does that even make a difference to your financial life? When you spend less time and make more money than most people work the entire years. Now let's just assume that not all of the people that came to the business is gonna do the exact same thing, and 90% just didn't do anything. Let's just say only 10% are the one that actually go out there and do this system, right? Only 10% go out there and write 5 policies per month at $100 premium average. You're still looking at $7,000 per month cash flow. That is amazing. And all you did were started out with the 3 people that you love so much, that you care. They just duplicate from them. So this system is very, very powerful. I just want to share with you, just in case you are one of those agents that having look at the other side of the system and you just only focus on one side of the plan. Imagine if each agent just gets about 10 policies per month. That's gonna double the income, alright? That's gonna double the income. I mean, some months you didn't write a policy, but the other guys write more policies. It's just a number game. So if you're one of those people that are looking for a way to make more money in your life, this is the financial opportunity for you. Click on the join now button somewhere on this page and get started today. I will see you on the next page.